So, welcome everyone and happy Navaratri to all of you. And from today onwards, in the next 10 days, I am pre launching my book, Why I Am Here to Finding the True Purpose of Your Life. So, each day I will share that small glimpse of my each chapter of my book. And so, let's go with that today's. And today is day one, and it represents that Durga is Shailaputri. Yeah, so the Shailaputri, it represents that strength and grounding. Yeah, so my first chapter is named as a Be Grateful to Yourself. So we have to first, whenever we starting our journey, we have to be grateful to ourselves, right? So right now, the moment you can sit and think of that, okay, how acknowledging yourselves in every single day, just think of that moment. So we are living the world with comparison is a constant, right? So in our life only we compare our success with others, and also we complain what we don't have. So we are doubting ourselves, which is not good enough for ourselves only, but we are not thinking so what is that really matters. But the real truth is, when you start comparing, so it steals our joy and also our doubts, our own doubts only. So it stops from growing forward. Okay, so when you start the moment to stop comparing yourself with others and you being grateful to yourself, then the magical things will be started happening in your life. So you feel more lighter and feel more confident, and just like the energy of Shailaputri. So first day of the Navaratri, being grateful to yourself, it doesn't mean is ignoring your flaws. It means how really matters. So how you have come to this far by facing that so many challenges, right? But still you are here and you have a strong on yourself. So think about that. So some days yourself also you are be grateful, because you have that power strength to facing the challenges and to achieve that success more, right? So imagine waking up in every single day. So instead of saying I'm not enough, so I do not have a talent, instead of start saying that, so I am really grateful for I am self who I am today. And when you start saying that, you can see to find yourself in your started changing in your career relationship and started taking that decisions will be changing. So it will be start shifting in your life. So this is what I explore in my first chapter. So not only being positive, you have to start discovering your true strength of your life by being grateful to yourselves. This is all about of day one. So this is all about just glimpse, and if you want to go deeper, so you can pre-order my book today. So why I am here, so the link already given in the descriptions, click on that link. By today said pre-order my book. So if you pre-order my book, so you'll receive that the special gift of my audiobook, so you can listen by today itself. And also one thing, you'll receive a bonus gift if you are a top 10 people so to order my book. Okay, so do not miss that bonus gift. It's really helpful to finding that true purpose of your life. So I will personally call you and help you to more finding the purpose of your life. Okay, so thank you everyone, and wait for that tomorrow's I will bring that, come up with that the powerful secrets and powerful lessons of my chapter 2, so in represents of the day 2. So wait for that, stay tuned. Thank you.